Alright, what's up guys, we're back with the second box of our 3-box break. We just did limited, and I just wanted to show you guys what the cards we pulled off, which is a redemption of Steve Eisenman game box, looks like. This is the Mario Lemieux edition, so it will be about the same card but Steve Eisenman. So I can say this is a mojo. This is one of the biggest hit I've pulled. So anyway, congratulations to NTS Break for this great card. So we're back with SP Game News. Sorry, I want to show you guys the serial number of this box, which is 16323. Jesus, the paper on the serial number is giving me, okay, 162239788. So there you go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Make sure you watch our website, because we're gonna have another multi-box break coming up, and we also have some 2011 and 12 SP Authentic case break for registration. Here's a 6-pack, box empty. So if you're interested in SP Authentic, let me know. It's gonna have at least 2 cases, so just contact us ASAP. We almost filled one, so alright, sorry, let's go. Authentic rookie Marcus Kruger out of 699 for the Hawks. Jersey card for the Bruins of Tyler Seguin. Decoy and base. Rookie out of 699, Breakin' Kearns for the Panthers. Sorry. Breakin' Kearns, and a jersey of Matt Cartner. Yeah, for the Senators. Matt Cartner. Decoy base. Third pack. We have a base card on top, and we have a dual jersey, both from the Ducks. It's Ryan Getzlaf and Jonas Heller, numbered to 100. Getzlaf and Heller for the Ducks, and 2 base card. 3 packs left. We have a gold base card numbered to 100 for the Rangers of Mark Messier. Mark Messier base card. And wow, okay, that's funny. Matt Cartner jersey for the Senators. Thank you, Upper Deck. Real nice job. And the base card. 2 packs left. Hopefully it's not a third Matt Cartner. Alright, we have a rookie for the Penguins, number 699 of Robert Bortuzzo. There we go. And a jersey card of Brett Hall, and it says All-Star jersey, so I'll have to double check, because on top of my head I can't remember what's the rule on that one. I think it goes to the team where it played the most games, but I'm gonna double check that and correct it if I'm wrong. Base, the last pack. Okay, this pack is all falling apart. There we go. A base, a redemption, and a base. So hopefully it's something good. Let's see. The next. Alright. Okay, game use significance signatured number to 60 Brad Marchand. Alright, I don't know what this card is, number to 60. Let's say autograph for Brad Marchand for the Boston Bruins. There we go, guys. I'll get back to you on the Brett Hall, and thanks guys for watching. We'll be back with Titanium. See ya.